Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 87 Chevy K20 square body fuel injected 350 automatic or 350 4-speed. Just a drive as is or a project truck, whatever you want to do. You can see one of the marker lights and the bezels broke. You can find them on eBay rather reasonable. Come from western South Dakota, so you got to expect a little hail, and there you can see a few dents in the hood. So obviously this was a ranch truck from out in the Mobridge, South Dakota area. So definitely got some dings and dents. They used it. Windshield is broke. Runs, drives good, but definitely needs some TLC as far as cosmetics. Missing the speedometer needle. Fuel gauge does not work. Dash is cracked. I'm sure the seat's tore underneath here, and we need a mat, so kind of needs your interior done. Nice thing about it, it's a fuel injected square body and it isn't very rusty. A little bit on the cab corners, just starting right there where they all rust. Isn't rusty in the back of the box. That's where they're kind of knowing. Tailgate, you'd have to get a new tailgate, probably a new bumper also. This box side's pretty bad shape. You'd maybe have to put a box side on it. So, and then they hit something on the cab. But like I said, not very rusty, runs and drives good, very affordable, fuel injected square body. Any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.